Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Zenith Max from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page with the visor. So we're going to start at the top edge. We're going to draw a straight line going across from left to right. So we'll start over on the left. We'll go straight across. Now from the ends we're going to come straight down the side. Now let's close off the bottom with another straight line. Now we're going to trace the visor out on the inside, starting on the left. Then we'll close off the bottom. Now we're going to draw on the top edge of the head. Starting from the left corner, we're going to step in, draw a curve, going up the middle, and then back down on the right side. Now let's move down and draw the lower part of the head. From the left corner, we're going to step in, curve down, in towards the chin. Now I just want to bring this back up on the right side. Now we're going to start layering the fur around the head. Starting from the left corner of the chin, we're going to curve out and just pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, curve across, and then up. Now we're going to pull this in behind the head. On the left side we're going to curve in and then hook that down. Now let's draw on the second layer. From the tip we're going to step in, curve out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to pull this in behind the visor. Come in and then down. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side and work our way towards the right. So from this point we're going to step down, curve around, and then in. Now I'm going to hook this back down in behind the head. Let's add another one. From the tip we're going to step down, curve up, and over. Now I'm going to curve out and back in towards the top of the head. Now back at the top, we're going to step down, we're going to draw a wave. We're going to go up, down, and then just curl it back up at the top. Now I'm going to curve this back down on top of the head. Come down and over towards the left. Now we're going to add another one in behind. So we're going to step down, curve down and up towards the tip. Now I'm going to curve down and then in behind the head. Let's add one more in between. We're going to step down, and curve this out and up. Now I'm going to curve around and then in behind the bottom fur. Now we're going to move down and draw in the collar. Starting underneath the fur on the left side, we're going to curve down and then in underneath the head. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to layer the shoulders in behind. From the top, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down. Now we're going to work our way in. From this point, curve across, and then in. Now we're going to do an overlap. From this point, we're going to step up, curve over that line, and come down. Now we're going to pull this back up and in. Now let's close off the bottom of the collar. From this line, we're going to step out, curve down, and now we're going to go across. Now I'm going to pull this up underneath this line, going up and then out. Now let's move out and draw on the side of the body. From this point in the fur, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the hip. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down, and then back up. Let's draw on the top of the belt. I want to draw the same curve just up above, going across. And then over on the left side, we're going to add the buckle. We're going to draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. Let's trace the buckle out on the inside. Leave an even space gap all the way around. Now we're going to add some straps going across the body. We're going to start from the left hip, just above the belt. We're going to curve across and and then up towards the right. We're gonna step up and draw that same curve, going in behind the collar. Let's add another strap in behind. So we're gonna start in the middle, we're gonna curve down, and then back up on the right side. Now let's go back to the left side here. We're gonna curve up underneath the collar. Now we're gonna continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're gonna step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now we're gonna leave a little space in the center. We're gonna move over towards the left, curve out and down with a short line on both sides. Now let's round out the cuff. From the inside, we're gonna curve down and then back up. Let's go back up to the hip and draw the side of the leg. Starting on the left, we're gonna curve out and then down. Now we're going to add the inside edge of the coat. Starting from the bottom corner on the left, we're going to curve up in the middle, just underneath the belt, and we'll bring this back down on the right side, curving out and then down. In the center, we draw a straight line coming down. Let's add the knee pads on the side. Starting out here on the left, we go straight across, and then we'll come straight down. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up, going across, and then straight down. Let's trace this out on the inside. I'm just going to add a little pattern to the inside of the knee pad. Starting at the top, we're just going to angle down, step down, draw that same angle line, and we're just going to go across both lines in the opposite direction. Let's do the same thing on the right. Draw two angled lines, and then from the top we'll come in the opposite direction. Now we're going to move down and draw on the fur cuff. Starting from the outside corner of the leg, curve out, and then in. And we're going to go in the opposite direction on the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add the fur. Starting from the left, we're going to angle up and in on both sides. Now from the left, we're going to curve down and in. On the right, we're going to curve down and in. Now we're just going to pull these up with a curve towards the center point, curving up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the angled line going up. Now from here, we're going to curve down and in. Now we're going to merge into towards a center point, curving up. Now from the inside corner of the fur, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the heel on both sides. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, I'm going to curve down and up towards the toe. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw on the sole. On the left toe, we're going to draw a short line going up. And I'm going to follow this curve coming back in towards the heel. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that straight line. Now go back to the heel, follow that same curve going across. Now back on the left side, we're going to start from this point, we're going to curve up. We're going to draw a half circle going up and then down towards the sole. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving up and then down. Now from the bottom of the fur, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the top of the foot. Let's add a strap going across the foot. Starting from the top of the foot, we're going to taper this, curving in and then down. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start about halfway down the side of the body, curve out and down towards the wrist on both sides. Now back on the left side, we're going to draw on the thumb. We're going to draw a small half circle. Now we're going to close off the inside by connecting these 2 points with a curve, going up and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the thumb. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Now back on the left side, at the corner of the thumb, we're going to curve down and then up. I just want to bring this up the side of the arm. We'll continue that curve going all the way around. Now just going to hook that in, aiming towards the corner of the shoulder. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the thumb, we'll curve down. I'm just going to bring this back up, again aiming towards that point. Stop right about there. Now we're going to add that fur edge across the arm. Starting from here, we're going to curve down and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from here, we're gonna curve this up and then in. And then we're gonna bring this all the way back in towards the inside of the arm, curving down and then across. Now from the top of the shoulder, we're gonna step in, curve out the side of the arm, in behind the forearm. Do the same thing on the right, curving out and then in, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Now let's move back down and draw on the claws. We start with the inside edge of the hand, come down, and then hook that back in. Now we're going to taper this back up underneath the hand. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on the inside edge, curve down and in, and then we'll taper that back up. We're going to add 2 more on either side. So on the left side, we're going to leave a little space, curve down and in, and again, tapering that back up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add 1 more claw on the outside. Again, leaving a little space, curve out and down, and then taper that back up. Now underneath the thumb, I just want to draw in the first finger. We're going to curve down and then in behind the claw. Let's add a little bit of fur texture to the back of the arms. Starting on the left side here, we're going to curve this up and in. And we're going to curve down and in. We'll draw 1 more point with a short curve coming up, and then we'll hook that back down and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by curving up and in, down and in, and then we'll draw a shorter curve going up, and then back down. And then at the bottom of the hand, we're just going to draw 1 curve, curving up, and then back down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add a strap along the top of the arm. Starting right where the arm meets the body, we're going to step down, curve up, and then out. We're going to step up and just follow that same curve coming back in. Do the same thing on the right. From the body, we'll step down, curve up and out, step up, and draw that twice. I'm going to add a little pouch on the left arm. So just above the strap, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up. And then at the bottom of the strap, we'll draw that same angled line, close off the ends with a straight line. And then the final thing we're going to do is just add a seam on the inside of the arm. Starting from the inside of the forearm, we're going to curve out and up in behind the strap, continue up underneath the fur. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving out and up, and then at the top of the strap coming in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Zenith Max from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.